For 15 years, Leah believed that if she just loved hard enough, things would get better. Her husband, Brian, was charming and intelligent, but he had a dangerous weakness: gambling. When they got married, he had promised her the world. He said, "Give me a few years, Leah, and you'll never have to worry again." At first, she believed him. She supported him through failed ventures, job losses, and mounting debts. She even sold her late father's piece of land to clear one of his loans. But the problem wasn't money, it was his mindset. Every time life demanded responsibility, Brian would run to the betting shops or online casinos, chasing the illusion of quick wealth. Leah carried the family on her back. She opened a small boutique, then a salon, and later started selling beauty products online. She would come home exhausted, only to find the rent unpaid and the electricity disconnected. Still, she stayed. She thought that love meant endurance. One day she came home early and found Brian crying. He confessed that he had taken a loan using her business name and lost it all. The bank froze her account the next week. That night, something inside her broke, not in anger, but in clarity. She realized she had been loving a version of him that existed only in her imagination. The real Brian wasn't the man she hoped for, so she left. No drama, no shouting. She quietly packed her things, took her daughter, and moved into a single room in her cousin's compound. For months, Leah cried herself to sleep. She felt betrayed, foolish, and old. She was 38, too tired to start over, too young to give up. But pain has a strange way of rearranging you. Slowly, she started rebuilding. She took online courses, rebranded her business under a new name, and began again, this time with structure and self-respect. A client who had always admired her consistency offered to partner with her. Within 3 years, Leah had 3 branches, a team of young women she mentored, and a peace she had never known. Then Brian resurfaced. He wanted to reconcile, said he had changed. But Leah could tell he missed comfort, not her. She forgave him, but never went back. When Leah shared her story, she said something profound. "I used to think love meant saving someone. But sometimes, love is saving yourself first." She learned that peace is not something others give you. It's something you build when you stop chasing what keeps breaking you. Today, she's happily single, raising her daughter with grace, and teaching other women that boundaries are also a form of love. Moral of the story: when love costs you your peace, it's no longer love, it's bondage. Real healing begins when you stop chasing validation and start valuing yourself.